Your fridge is here.
I know where I am.
I'm grabbing the metal bowl.
Metal?
Nigga dissing all this that we pop up, you gon' DIE. I just nut it all up in a hole, know that pussy geek, and bitch that nigga.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing a challenge. Oh, my phone. And it's gonna be, we're gonna try to bake and decorate this cake. And it's gonna be one person can't talk, one person can't speak, and then one person can't hear. So she can't hear, I can't see, and she can't speak.
Hold on. Talk.
Hey guys, you can't talk. Tony's just made with the cake. Can you hear me? Layla. Bro, can you hear
Bro,
me?
back up.
I can't. Can you hear me?
No. Wait. Did you say, can I hear you?
Yes.
No, but I'm reading your lips.
Okay, make sure you read my lips, okay?
What?
Make sure you read my lips, okay?
Alright.
Where's the box? Tony, can you pass me the box?
Let me wash my hands.
Oh, yes, let's wash our hands. Oh!
Are you dropping the thing?
I thought it was the counter. Okay. Alright, I hear where everything is. Okay, so look.
Bro, back up off of me.
I'm right on you? Who? Who are you talking
Bro,
about?
are you arguing with me?
Yes!
Bro, don't argue with me. Just back up.
Tony, where you at? Touch my hands.
Chill out. Stop.
Alright, where's Tony? Tony!
Chill out.
Where's she at? Oh, can you touch my hand? Ow! That was Layla. Tony, where are you? I hear her laugh, but she's over here. I'm about to play the show. Alright, give me the cake mix. Give me the...
Oh, I think she want a paper towel.
No, I want the cake mix. I want the cake.
Oh, your mother is calling you.
Alright, is she... Where's she at?
Alright. We need a big bowl.
I thought I had one.
You don't have a big bowl.
I thought I put it right here.
There is no big bowl right here.
Okay, Tony. Okay, she's washing her hands.
There's only a pan. Are you talking about this?
No, I'm about to tell Tony where it is. Tony.
There is no big bowl.
I'm about to tell Tony where it is. Antoine.
She's not looking.
Tony.
Tony, get the big bowl.
I'm trying to tell her where it is. Okay, so I know where, I can tell where we are. So turn this way, face this way, right? The left, all the way to the left corner. That cabinet, open that up, and there's bowls in there. And get a big enough bowl.
Is it on top of the fridge?
What do you mean on top of the fridge?
Yes, it is on top of the fridge.
No! I'm not talking. Tony, look.
Okay, your fridge is here.
I know where I am. I'm talking about right here.
So why can't... Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Tony, get out the way. Tony, grab the big bowl. You acting dumb. Don't knock all the bowls out. Wait, this is a solid bowl.
Get up. Leave the light alone.
Don't be in my ear.
I don't know where you are.
Are you getting smart with me?
Yes.
What you trying to do?
Don't.
You can't see.
I can't see. So don't start.
You felt that wind, didn't you?
No, where's the black? All right. Is this the pink bowl?
That's a pink bowl. Tony, move out the...
Didn't I tell you,
Get this
orange
bowl.
or blue?
I'm grabbing the metal bowl.
Metal? No.
You want the blue bowl?
Blue, yes.
A blue regular bowl?
That or orange. They should all be
blue
stacked
is right
up.
here.
They should all be stacked up. Which
The
one's bigger?
orange one is broken.
Okay, so get blue.
Alright, we got a blue bowl.
I'm trying to cut. I don't cut all the way across. I cut like this.
What?
I'm not talking to you. Leave me alone.
Oh, okay.
How's this? It's good? Oh, you can't talk.
What you turning your head like that for? Worry about the bacon.
I wasn't talking to you. Shut up. I need a cup of water. What? Okay, now I need a half a cup of oil, I think it's it. The oil should be on the floor over here. If it's not on the floor over here, it's on the floor back here. Did you pour out the water, Layla? Did she just pour out the water that was in the cup?
Did she what?
Did you just pour the water out that was in the cup?
She found the oil.
Okay, I need a half of cup. If you look,
A half a cup oil.
she can hear.
Yes, vegetable oil. I had to make sure the video was recording right.
We're right here.
What, bro?
We're right here. You don't have to yell.
Did you say F me?
No. I said we're right here. You don't have to yell. Why are you laughing?
Well, I'm recording.
Pour the oil. Tell me.
Why is it taking so long to pour a half a cup?
Well, you pour it. To give it to her. Whoa, wait, the bowl of stuff. You don't need a full cup of oil.
You want more?
I can't see.
I'm not talking to you.
Why are you? I
More
put it in my
oil?
face. We only need it. It
More
says it on the
oil?
side.
Nod your head.
It says, does it,
More oil?
is it at the halfway mark? On the side of the cup.
Why is it like this?
The side of the cup says half a
Shut
cup.
up.
I'm trying to tell you, talking about more oil. You shouldn't have to ask her. It should be
Shut
on the cup.
up. I don't know. Shut up.
She's trying to have an oily cake. Give me the oil. Where's the oil?
Let me
at?
see.
Tony.
Go on.
Yeah, it says a half cup.
Shut up.
All you gotta do is look. It's not hard.
If I throw this oil in your face.
I can hear your voice. I'm gonna go like this.
Oil in the bowl.
You put the oil in?
I already put the oil in the bowl.
Thank you. That's what I asked. Tony, can you get like something to measure with from back here? It should be a spatula and like a white looking thing. You have a spatula? Do we have a spatula? Where is this? Someone put the spatula in my hand. What are y'all doing? I want the spatula.
Why is that?
Why did you have one?
You're stupid. Metal?
No.
Which one?
This. Thank you. Can you rinse
That's
this off,
for
Tony?
cake.
Are we not making cake?
That's for icing.
Why does this feel wet? How much oil did y'all put in here?
Oh my goodness, you're mixing so dumb. Let me move. Let me mix. Let me mix.
Move.
Let me mix. Ow. Let me mix. Let me help. I want to mix.
Why are you laughing? What's funny? We still need the eggs. Is it wet? Tony, oh, you can't talk.
So yum.
Is it thin?
How much water did you add?
That's why we still need to add 3 eggs.
It's a little thick.
It's thick?
Oh, it's a lot of formula at the bottom.
Okay, good. I need to crack 3 eggs.
Roll it up, add the salt, squeeze the trigger.
Tony, can you do the eggs, please?
Where are the eggs?
Right
They
here.
in the. Are they not in the fridge? They in this fridge.
No, I put the eggs out.
You want me to get them out? Oh, the eggs right here.
That's what I just said.
You jump up and down like a daggone dog ain't gonna stop
Shut up.
nothing. Bro, you got a freaking thing in there, dummy.
Well, I can't see. I should show
Now
you
I
my
had to get
face.
it out. What? Ew! Why do it look like slime?
Why are you yelling? Can I put the egg in here?
Oh, I got it together. Do you want to mix, Tony? Here.
Bro, why doesn't it come? Oh, no, this is. Tony, it's not that funny, I promise.
Let me mix again. Let me mix again. Ah.
Okay.
Now we need a pan.
Okay. Tony, are you listening?
Why we didn't preheat the oven? What? How low? How high is the oven supposed to be?
Oh, look at the box, I'll tell you.
Preheat the oven. We should have been did that.
Where's the box? Oh, you threw the box out?
Now we gotta wait, because baking is a science.
Oh, shut up.
We gotta do it at 350, so just press the bake. Press bake and start.
I'm pretty sure she knows how to work in the oven.
You look all mad. You mad you can't see. Uh-huh.
Okay, now turn the pans. Okay, turn this way. You see, do you know what a Lazy Susan is? Shake your head, yes or no.
Shit.
Okay, you see the Lazy Susan? It's in there, but the Lazy Susan is broke a little bit, so...
She broke the door.
No, it's been broke. I just said that.
Oh, no, she didn't.
It's been broke.
No, she didn't break the door.
It's been like that. I said that.
I found it.
Did y'all get a pan? Tony, did you get a pan? Oh, that's Layla. I can tell you just hit my hand. Tony, did you find a pan? No, that wasn't you, Tony.
That's too big. This too big.
Hell no.
Smaller? Shake your hand. Yes, for smaller. Round.
What is all that clanking?
Stop tapping me. I'm rolling it around. Stop tapping me. I see. I see.
Not.
Now you want a flat one? You just said round. Pick one.
What are you talking about? The top shelf?
I found a flat one right here. We're using this one.
The top shelf.
Or this one. Do you want this one?
Yeah. Yes. This. Yes.
Or do you want this one?
This. I don't.
It's 3 different sizes.
I want this one. I said that. Why are you laughing? What's funny? This one. The baking spray is in this Lazy Susan. It's on the bottom shelf and it's blue. You find it? Put it in my hand. Oh, all things in here. This is the blue. Okay, so can you see if there's a Baker's Joy one at the bottom? And if not, then get a normal.
Make sure to grab the spray.
It's none of
Yes.
that.
What? Ow!
You act like I don't got this pan. I will start banging you with this pan.
Look at my head. It's a knot.
Leave me alone.
Back up.
Bro, I can't see where I am. You getting mad at me. Where's the spray?
Bro, I'm not speaking to her.
Where's the spray? I need the spray. What?
Now, look at you. Useless without me talking. Stupid. Olive oil non-stick.
Okay, that works. There's nothing in here. That's why I need the other one.
What are you doing?
What are y'all? Thank you. Tony is useless. Thank you. Why is someone else giving me a bottle? What's the difference?
You know I be skied up.
Oops, excuse me. Yes, this is the right one. Thank you. Okay.
She hit me in my head. Like for real. What are you doing? You just made a mess.
Well, I can't see.
Look at the pen.
I can't see. How else am I supposed to look at the pan? Okay, you do it.
How about you ask for help? Stop trying to do everything all by yourself when you cannot see.
I just did.
Now our joint about to taste dumb because you put all this grease.
Well, move it around and take them out with some paper towel. Tony, get a paper towel.
Back up. Let me get through.
You need to use manners. Who is this? Okay, I trust you. What is it?
Feel like I'm the chosen one.
Oh, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
Let me do it.
Yeah, let her do it. I'm not doing that. Tony, I'm not about to keep playing with you. Okay, I hear her. Come here. What is the oven at? Can you put like the numbers on my fingers, please?
It's at 250.
Okay, thank you.
If you didn't hear it beep, stop asking questions.
Layla.
What's so funny?
What now?
Now we wait. Only you gonna clean the dish? Y'all don't have a rag?
No, we have a sponge.
Only the sponge? This the cake.
Did she get all of the mix out? Okay. Oh, it's preheated.
We at 350?
Yep. Put it on the top. Can you tell her to put it on the top shelf?
Put it at the bottom?
The top. The top.
The top? How long they gotta be in there?
Somebody put
10.
the timer on. 10 minutes? That don't even sound right.
14?
Oh.
10, 20 minutes?
20. What's, please. Go in the middle of whatever numbers was on the
25? 15?
Girl. How did it go from 10 to...
15 to whenever.
To whenever. That doesn't...
25?
So put a timer on for 20 minutes.
15 to what? Hey y'all, so we took the cake out. We're gonna decorate it with the blindfolds and stuff, but right now we're watching The Notebook. I have yeah. And we have Tony over here. Our cake,
Yeah, that's not...
I don't think I would want to eat that.
I wouldn't eat that either.
So I think that just shows that you need to be able to hear and see.
Yeah, this shows that communication is key.
And, yeah, and you should be able to talk too.
Yeah, without
What?
communication,
What?
It's not done.
And y'all said it was done.
the outside is done. The middle is... Like, do it right here. This is done.
Ew.
See, it's just the middle part. That's why it sank.
But it's supposed to rise, so that means something was wrong. It's science.
Well, maybe we need to take another class. So there will be no decorating portion of this.
I'm gonna take my icing home.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, I'm back home now, and this is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see from my next video. Peace out, y'all.